In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Instagram, Facebook, and X posts into your GoHighLevel website. We'll start inside your GoHighLevel account. From your dashboard, head over to the Launchpad area. This is where you can access all of the main tools for your location. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Sites and click on it. This will open up the section where all your funnels and websites are managed. Next, switch to the Websites tab so you're only looking at your regular sites rather than funnels. Choose the website you want to work on. In this example, I'll pick a test site, but you should select the one where you actually want the social media embeds to appear. On the page list, find the specific page you want to edit and click Edit to open the page builder. Inside the page builder, we're going to set up a layout that can hold 3 different posts, one from each platform. Click on Add Elements, then choose the 3-column layout and click Add. This will drop a 3-column row onto your page. In each of these columns, we're going to place a code element. Click on Code, then click Add to insert it. Repeat that until each of the 3 columns has its own code element ready to hold an embed. Now let's grab an embed from X. Open X in another tab, find the post you want to feature, and click the 3 dots next to that post. Choose Embed Post. You'll be taken to the publishing page where you can choose the type of embed, for example, embedded post or embedded video. Select the one that fits your content, then click Copy Code to copy the generated HTML. Go back to the GoHighLevel page builder, click on the custom HTML JavaScript element in the first column, and open the code editor. Click inside the area that says something like, Add your code here, then paste in the embed code you just copied. Click Save so that the X post is stored on your page. We'll repeat this for Instagram. Open Instagram, go to the post you want to embed, and click the 3 dots in the corner. Choose Embed, then click Copy Embed Code. Back in GoHighLevel, open the code editor for the second column, click into the code area, paste the Instagram embed code, and save. For Facebook, the idea is exactly the same. Go to the Facebook post you want, use the options on the post to get the embed code, copy it, then return to GoHighLevel. Open the code editor in the 3rd column, paste the Facebook embed, and save. When all 3 are in place, click Save in the top right of the page builder, then preview your site. You should now see your X, Instagram, and Facebook posts embedded directly on your GoHighLevel page and ready for your visitors to interact with.